Hello and welcome to Networkers List 2-Up Power Play. Let's begin with you and 4 affiliates you find for yourself or the built-in system finds for you. This one is you. Customers number 1 and number 3 in black are yours, paying you $10 each per month. Total commissions earned, 2 times $10 equals $20. Customers number 2 and number 4 in blue are passed up to your sponsor. Now, let's take number 2 and number 4 off the picture. Here's what's left. You, number 1, and number 3. Notice the 2 affiliates that you kept, number 1 and number 3, now went out and got their 4. They keep 1 and 3, 2 and 4 in blue get passed up to you. You've now earned $20 from the original 1 and 3, plus an additional $40 from their second and fourth sale up to you. Infinity referral commissions. With just 4 sales, this plan doubles your commissions for every level of depth in every pay line to infinity. That's $40, $80, $160, $320, $640, $1280, and $2560, and it keeps going on and on until infinity. Here's where it gets really exciting. The ingenious twist that makes this system work so well. Starting from your 5th direct referral, there's no more passing up from you. All your direct referrals are yours to keep, and they would pass their second and fourth sale up to you. They would also have all of their downline pass up their second and fourth sale to you. Discover how easy this unique new concept will make you a small fortune. Join us today.